Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance. So today I'm going to show you how to do the breakdown dance. It's one of the new emo dances from the computer game Fortnite Season 5. Since a lot of you have been liking my previous Fortnite dances tutorials, like the shoot and the default dance, then I thought I'd just do another one for you. Okay, so let's get started. Let's just start with the legs. Left leg, toes pointing slightly outwards, because I want to take my right leg and say prepare, kick it, back up, down, and from here I want to create a small swing. So from here I'm swinging over here, yeah? So let's just do the swing. I'm taking my right knee up, down, jump to the other side, yeah? So as soon as I'm down here, I want to jump to the other side, yeah? So facing from here to here, here to here, yes. And I start on and 1, and 2, and, yeah? So let's do that again slowly from the top. 5, and we start on and 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and. So from here, I want to do a jump again. I'm jumping down on my right, and then I'm kicking my left back here. Whoop, not up here, just down here somewhere behind your right. So let's do that again from the swing here. I'm swinging to this side and then just jumping on my right. Let's just do that from the top and then the last jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. So here from 3, I'm saying continue this movement, so I continue this one to prepare for the next one. Also doing a small jump, saying kick it. So what I just did here was my right knee was up, and then I'm jumping on my right leg, continuing, moving to the front. Yeah, so it's like a jump kick at the same time. So from here, jump on the right, jump again on the right, kicking the left out. Okay, so from the swing here, again, down, up, jump, jump. Yeah, so I'm doing 3 jumps almost in a row. So from here, down, jump, jump, jump. Let's just try that. Down, jump, jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, jump, jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, jump, jump, jump. Okay, from the beginning, starting on and 1, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so let's do the arms. The arms are saying and point, and down. So left arm, point, right arm, up, down. Let's just do that from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and point, up, down. So let's try that again. And 1, and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Okay, so again, point, up, down. From here, you want to take both hands up, whoop, push them down again. Now, turn them around here. Yeah, so point, right, down, both hands, down, turn them around. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So let's try to combine legs and arms. We say and point. Yeah, so right leg, left arm here. You say back up here, right arm, right leg, knee here. pushing it down, pulling both hands up. Let's just do that. So from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and. So from here, you push both hands down, and then you jump on your right, and the last part, you want to flip your arms around here, at the same time kicking this one out, yeah? And at the same time also jumping. Okay, so it's left arm, right leg, prep, extend, up, down, jump, push, kick it. And remember those jump, 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 jump. So again, from the top, slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, on to the next part, which I think is probably the hardest part, but I'm sure you get it. Just hang in there, practice, practice. Okay, so let's just do the legs. We're here, jumping down, knees are bent, toes are pointing outwards, and then I'm traveling to the left, doing the heel toe move. And what I mean by that is I'm doing left is on my toes, right is on my heel, and then I'm saying to the left. If you don't know the heel toe move, I suggest that you just practice just by having your feet like this, toes pointing upwards, and then just do one foot at a time. So you say right on my heel to the side, right on my toes to the side, and then my left is on my heel to the side, and then I do the opposite, right on my heel, left on my toes. One foot at a time, yeah? And then when I feel comfortable, I can do it at the same time, yeah? Also, when I do the move, I don't actually lift up my heel and my toes that high. I just go right above the ground, yeah? The important thing is where you put the weight. It doesn't have to be visible. Also, it helps if you have something to take off your weight, something to lean up against when you practice this one, because you can get tired pretty quickly. So let's take it back from here. Jump down, left on my toes, right on my heel, moving to the left. And then the opposite, opposite, opposite. So 4 of those, and then I'm jumping back up. So the arms are saying elbows up, approximately 90 degrees. And our hands are saying crab hands, here. And then I'm taking the left one up, then the right one, then I point at myself, and then I point at you. And I've noticed that they don't fully extend their arms, but slightly bend. I don't know, maybe that looks cooler. Anyways, so the arms from here, left, right, point, you. Okay, so the count is, we're here on 4, we're down on 5, and 6, and 7. And then on and 8, we just jump and 8 up. Yeah, so the arms are going down. So let's just start here on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's do that again, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's combine legs and arms. So from here, 4, you go down, whoop, and then you travel, whoop, travel, 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 up. Again, so from 4, doing it with the counts now, we go down on 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7 and 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's take it from the tip top. So here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so for the next part, I think it makes more sense to do arms and legs at the same time. So let's do that. I'm jumping on my right, kicking my left out here, pointing to the right, also looking to the right at my finger here. But before I do that, I just do a small prep. So I'm going down a bit and then I'm saying jump. So hey, down, hey. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hey. So from here, left leg is saying pull up my knee, bending down, pointing down here at my foot. Whoop. Yeah, so from here, I'm saying down, here, down. Next move, pull up, both hands. Yeah, so it's point, down, both hands. So slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, down, up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, down, up. Okay, so from here, jumping down here, knees are slightly bent, toes pointing outwards, my arms are saying, hey, look at me. Right is up here, left is down here, and then I'm saying grab here, and the right is up here on your head, and I'm sort of doing a prep also with my head. I'm leaning or tilting my head here to the side before I do switch. Yeah, so I was here, then I grab, pull. Okay, so let's just do and 1 and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. From here, I want to go and down, doing a small bounce here, and then I'm saying up, jumping down again, and then pointing to the opposite side here. It's like I'm throwing something down here, whoop, whoop, whoop. So I just said down here, up, down here, up, down here, and a double. So from here, out, and grab, and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. That's actually not the count, but it's just for practicing purposes. So let's do that again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Okay, let's do the whole thing from the top.
Super slow.
5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's do that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, that's it for this dance tutorial of the breakdown dance emote from the computer game Fortnite Season 5. I hope you liked it. If you did, please let me know, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.